Hello, student. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. I'm fine. And
Good morning, Miss.
Oh, good job. All right. Did you have your breakfast today? Yes or
not
not?
yet.
Not yet. What
Ma'am.
about Swati? Did you have your breakfast today?
Yes, ma'am, I have. I drink a cup of milk and then I eat bread for my breakfast.
Oh, awesome. Good job, Swati. You prepare for your breakfast, yeah? Okay, I hope that everyone in a good condition and also always healthy. Are you ready for today's class, everyone?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah,
Yes,
good
I'm ready,
job.
ma'am.
Yay, good job, everyone. You are very ready for today's class. Before starting the class, let's pray together. Okay, everyone? Okay, I lead the pray. Okay, now pray start. Finish. Okay, let's check your attendance. Who absent today? No one absent today? Okay, I'll go to checking. The first one is Mela. Are you here?
Listen, ma'am.
Okay,
I'm here.
the next is Swati. Swati, are you here?
I'm here. Sorry, my
Okay.
connection is.
Okay, the last is Olga.
I'm here, Miss. I'm present.
Okay, good job. No one absent today. Let's start today's lesson with sing a song. Miss will give you a video and please clapping while you singing, okay? Wait a minute, I want to share my screen. Okay, are you here? Please turn on your audio. No di belakang, behind di belakang, beside di samping, between di antara, under di bawah, above di atas, and if atas di bawah, position of place. One time. In front of di depan, behind di belakang, beside di samping, between di antara, under di bawah, dan top di atas. Dinding dalam position of place. Okay, good job. Okay, how did you feel, student? Is the song easy?
Yes, Miss. It's so easy song, and I'm happy.
What about Swati? Are you happy while you singing?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat once again?
For Swati, are you happy while you singing? Yes?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay, good job, Swati. Okay, Swati. Okay, don't worry, Swati. Okay, everyone. I think that everyone liked this song. Okay, now who still remember the lyric of the song? Can anyone mention one of the lyric? What about Olga Christiana? Are you remember one of the lyric from the previous song?
Yes. Above is the atas.
Yes.
Yeah, I just remember that lyric.
Okay. What about Mela? Mela, are you remember the one of the lyric of the song? Mela, are you remember one of the lyric of the song?
I think on di dalam.
On di dalam. Okay, good job, everyone. Based of the song, who knows what we learned today? Who knows what we learned today? On di dalam, above di atas. Tadi apa lagi ya? In di dalam, on di atas. Terus under itu di bawah. who knows what we learned today? Can anyone? Okay, Olga Christiana.
In my opinion, we will learn about position or preposition.
Good job. Give applause to Olga Christiana. We learn about position. Ya, we learn about position atau secara lengkapnya we learn about preposition of place. Ya, anyone have heard about it, about preposition of place or not? No? Okay, don't worry. I will explain it about preposition of place. Okay. I want to share my screen and explain about preposition of place. Okay, there are words that contain in preposition of place, like in, on, of, under, at, ya, in front of, like that. Ya, jadi ada banyak sekali kata-kata yang ada digunakan dalam preposition of place. Next. Okay, I want you to observe this picture. Ya, saya ingin kalian mengobservasi atau memperhatikan gambar yang ada di layar ini ya. So who can make a simple sentence based on the picture ya. Seperti kalian lihat di screen itu ada gambar burung dan box ya. Siapa yang bisa bikin simple sentence with this picture? Raise your hand. Can make a simple sentence. Swati, can you make a simple sentence based on the picture, Swati?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, good job. You can try.
Simple sentence is my pen is on the table.
No, based on the screen, yeah, based on the picture with box and a bird.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry.
Yes.
And the sentence is the O is on the box.
The box. Okay. I think the on the box, and then the next. Who can make a second sentence about this picture? Olga, can you?
Yes, Miss. I want to try. The green on is in the box.
Okay, good job. What about Mela? Mela, can you make one simple sentence about it? About this screen? Mela, are you hear my voice? Okay, I think Mela and the unstable connection. Okay, don't worry. We move to the next slide. Okay, I will continue to explain about preposition of place. In English, preposition used to indicate a place or position. The place or position is displayed with a combination of preposition with the object. Jadi, Miss Translate dalam bahasa Inggris, preposition itu digunakan untuk mengindikasikan tempat atau posisi sebuah objek. Jadi tempat atau posisi sebuah objek ini bergantung dengan objek lainnya. Jadi misalnya kalau ada meja dan kursi, misalnya meja dan kursinya bersebelahan. Jadi itu akan mengindikasikan objek tertentu, fokus objek yang dituju ya. Misalnya ingin menanyakan tentang posisi dari meja. Mejanya berada di sebelah kursi. Atau misalnya di atas meja ada buku. Jadi yang ingin ditanyakan adalah bukunya berada di mana. Jadi kalau seperti itu, bukunya ada di atas meja. So the book is on the table. Okay. Are you understand what I said before? Yes? Okay, good job. We move to the next slide. So there are two types of preposition ya. Jadi ada tiga tipe di preposition. Yang pertama, preposition of time. Jadi digunakan untuk menunjukkan waktu. Kata-kata some words that contain in preposition of time itu ada in, on, at. Ya, kalau di preposition of place and position itu ada under, beside, on juga digunakan di dalamnya, in juga digunakan di dalamnya, itu ada near lagi, ada lagi in front of gitu ya, itu juga digunakan dalam preposition of place and position. Dan yang terakhir itu ada preposition of movement. Okay, the focus of this today's lesson itu adalah preposition of place. Preposition. There are some words that contain in preposition of place, like what I said before, itu ada on di atas, in di dalam, over di atas, tapi yang over itu berarti jarak dari benda suatu objek dengan objek yang lain itu terpantau jauh ya, misalnya tidak bersentuhan dengan objek yang lain. Kalau on sudah pasti bersentuhan dengan objek yang lain. For example, like I put my pen is on the book. Ya, berarti ini dekat, posisinya dekat. Oke. Ada lagi under. Under itu artinya di bawah. Misalnya satu objek berada di bawah objek yang lain, tergantung fokus objek yang ditanyakan. Ada lagi far, jauh, near, di sekitar, up ke atas, down ke bawah. Oke, let's move. Okay, there are examples of preposition of place. The first one, please put your homework on the table. Siapa yang bisa mentranslate dalam bahasa Indonesia? Ada yang bisa? Can anyone translate it? Swati, please translate the first sentence. Please put your homework on the table.
Okay, please put your homework on the table. In Indonesian is, tolong letakkan pekerjaan rumah kalian di atas meja.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Swati. The next sentence, my house is in front of hotel. Ada yang tahu dalam bahasa Indonesia ini artinya apa? Ada yang tahu? Olga, can you try to translate it?
Yes, Miss. Miss, house itu rumah, Miss ya?
Yes, house itu rumah. Kalau house itu baru kalian kan ada persamaan dalam bahasa Indonesia. House and house ya beda. House itu rumah, betul? Lanjut.
The translate is rumah saya terletak di depan hotel.
Ya. Kenapa isi is? Jadi setiap example yang Miss berikan ini, setiap sentence yang ada ini harus ada to be. Jadi object, to be, preposition of place, baru object lagi ya. The next is they are sitting beside on the table. Ada yang tahu? They are. Oke, Miss yang translate ya. They are sitting beside on the table. Jadi mereka, they are berarti jamak. They are artinya mereka, sitting artinya duduk, beside artinya di sebelah, on the table. Jadi mereka duduk di sebelah meja ya. Oke, move to the next slide. Okay, we move to the exercise. Miss will give you 7 minutes to observe this picture. Jadi misalkan memberikan waktu 7 menit untuk kalian mengamati ya, menobserve picture yang ada di screen ini tentang letak posisi objek. Yang pertama kan ada ball, ada lamp, ada book, ada chair, ada table, ada clock, ada sofa, ya ada cat dan ada karpet. Jadi Miss mau kalian mengingat posisi letak objek yang ada di screen ini ya. Nanti kita akan move untuk fill the blank question. Jadi fill the blank question with the object in the screen ya. Complete it. Start from now. Okay, time's up. Finish to complete it. So we start from the first sentence, first and second sentence, and make this sentence into the lyric of the song. Dengan nada bebas ya, kalian boleh menyanyi dengan nada pelangi-pelangi atau dengan nada bintang kecil, boleh ya. Pertama kita akan complete dulu the sentence ya. The first sentence, the ball is, who knows? The first and the second.
Under the table, Miss.
Okay, good job, Olga. And the second, you know this the answer for the second question, second sentence?
Beside. The chair is.
Beside. Okay, the chair is beside the table. Make this make two sentence into the song. Siapa yang bisa menyanyikan kedua sentence ini, kedua kalimat menjadi lirik lagu? Bisa, Olga? Can you? Okay, good job. Please. Okay, please.
The ball is under the table. The chair is beside the table.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Olga. Tanyakan ya. Jadi tadi sudah dijelaskan there are three types of preposition. Preposition. Can anyone mention it? One of it. Ada yang tahu tadi ada 3 jenis preposition yang sudah Miss jelaskan di screen? Ada yang tahu? Is there everyone know about it? Olga, can you know the types?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you know the types of preposition?
There are 3 types of preposition.
Yeah, mention one. Mention only one.
Preposition of time.
Preposition of time. The next one. Mela. What the previous explanation that I explained? Ya, apa penjelasan yang sudah saya berikan? Tadi kita membahas tentang preposition of Mela, can you know the what we learned in the previous meeting? Preposition of. Okay, I think Mela in the unstable connection. I move to the Swati. Swati, what the types of preposition? Swati.
Preposition of place. Tempat.
Okay, preposition of place and secara lengkapnya adalah preposition of place and position ya. Preposition of place and position. Dan the last itu ada preposition of movement. Okay, in the preposition of place, the word are contained in the preposition of place. Siapa yang bisa mention 3 words that contain in the preposition of place? Ada yang bisa? Silakan sebutkan 3.
Pramita, ma'am.
Pramita, okay, Pramita first.
In, on, at.
In, on, at. Good job, Pramita. 1 bonus point. Okay, next. Olga.
Above, under, and near.
Above, under, and near. Good job, Ola. 1 bonus point to Ola. Okay. We already learned about preposition of place ya. Jadi kita sudah belajar tentang preposition of place, types of preposition, dan juga the some words that are contains in the preposition of place. Jadi ya, apakah kalian sudah mengerti? Do you understand about what we learned today? What especially what I explained today? Yes, everyone, yes or not?
Understand.
Yeah, good job. Do you have a question, everyone?
I have, ma'am.
Okay, Swati.
Can you explain me the difference of on and above?
On and above. Okay, Swati, thank you for your question ya. Terima kasih atas pertanyaannya. Jadi saya sudah jelaskan, I have explained it before ya. Kalau on and above itu terletak pada jaraknya. Kalau above itu kan melayang ya. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia itu di atas tapi melayang. Kalau misalnya on itu memang di atasnya. For example, on itu kan di atas. For example, I have a book and I have a pen. So I put my pen on the book. Jadi ini jadi ini menempel ya, dia maksudnya bukan menempel, ada di atasnya dengan jarak yang sangat dekat ya. Ini ada di sangat tepat posisinya, ada di atasnya dan menempel. Kalau misalnya above itu melayang, for example kalian menaruh pajangan di atas meja tapi menempel, pajangannya menempel di dinding tapi di bawahnya ada meja, so you can say itu bisa digunakan kata above ya. Jadi misalnya the picture atau foto ya, kalian family photos ada di atas meja, the family photos is is above on the table karena ada di atas meja. Seperti itu. Swati, apa bisa dimengerti?
Yes, ma'am. Jadi on itu sebenarnya menempel.
Ya.
Kalau above itu sebenarnya melayang.
Ya.
Tidak bersentuhan.
Ya, tidak bersentuhan. Jadi ada jarak di antara kedua objek ya. Okay, everyone. Is there any question or not? No. Okay, good job everyone. My students are very smart today ya. Jadi kalian sudah belajar, sudah mengerti. Dan juga Swati memiliki pertanyaan, tapi yang lain tidak memiliki pertanyaan, tidak apa-apa. Thanks for coming today's lesson. Before I end today's class, we start with pray and also we end with prayer. Okay, pray start. Finish. Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming to this class. I hope you enjoy for today's class. Stay happy, stay healthy. Don't forget to learn the next material that will be discussed in the next meeting. See you in the next meeting. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, Miss. See you,
Okay,
Miss.
see you.